Thanks for tuning in. Today I would like to give a quick update on my staking results. I have started using Aubit almost 3 months ago and would like to share my experience, as well as what's new and what they have achieved so far. If you want to see our full review on Aubit, check out the link on the top. There are a few questions that we frequently get, so I hope I can clarify most of them in this video. Let's start with some of the accomplishments. What really stands out to me is the brokerage license. In combination with crypto staking, I haven't seen this anywhere else so far. Probably even more important is that staking is now available in the US. You have been waiting patiently and now you can finally stake your crypto. If we take a look at what's coming up, we have the things I was asking for. By integrating MetaMask, they start to automate things more. When I made a deposit in August, it was done manually. With smart contracts, they can automate the whole process. I hope they will integrate this soon for a better user experience. Let's go over to their Twitter to check some important announcements. As I just mentioned, the US staking is available now, as well as depositing Freeway tokens using MetaMask. The community on Twitter is growing nicely, and is almost at 10,000 followers. I thought this meme is funny, but at the moment it's true. The APY on Aubit is much higher than on other staking sites. But keep in mind that this rate is not guaranteed forever. Let's have a look at my staking rewards. After less than 3 months we made a profit of $550. That's amazing. In our first video, I forgot to mention that there is a withdrawal fee of 2.5%. You need at least 25% of your account balance in Freeway tokens to get the full Supercharger rewards. As you can see, I dropped below and I have to deposit more. But what is great is that Freeway tokens are valued higher in your account than on the open market. This way you have to buy fewer tokens to get the maximum rewards. Many people asked me, why is the USD Supercharger not at a 1-to-1 exchange ratio? They are valued higher so you can earn more redistribution rewards. That means every time someone buys the same Supercharger you own, 80% of transaction fees are shared with the holders. Another question is at what price you can sell your Supercharger. Let's say you bought it at a 1-to-1 ratio and now it is at 1.2. Then you would sell it at a 20% increased price. I hope you enjoyed our quick update on Aubit. So far everything is fine, but to really trust a company takes time. At this interest rate, I'm willing to take the risk. If you are interested in staking on Aubit, check out the link in the description. You and I get higher staking rewards if you use it. So basically a win-win. In case you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. See you next time.